So let me check. Okay. I hope it get better now. I am. That's more like it. Let me see. Okay. Seems better now. Only like 15 second delay. Yeah. Okay, but it's not about. It's not only about the amount of delay that there is in. YouTube is telling me that YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Such, viewer might experience buffering, which is tiring for me because my connection. It's the first time it does that. I don't understand what's going on, and it's that's not cool. Not cool. Not cool. Let me check. If I do this, what happened? Can you like oh, is it better? Is it better right now? Should I keep going? Not sure. Yeah. The streaming, the data streaming is, the connection is poor for this. How can I fix this? Yeah, it's gotta be better. Okay. So okay, so we'll try last time. If it doesn't work, I'll cut stream for today and come back later, right? Price is doing his range thing. This was from the trade from earlier. This is just this white bar just to mark out the last down candle, the last candle that put it low, and trade above, which makes this part here and wait. Oh yeah, okay. Which make this part and then mitigate that wick with a sweep in it. Available there. This would be count as the SNDR for the break of structure above that high. We move back in, tap into the first imbalance, run out higher. This is what I would be looking for long as this price doesn't come too fast and short above. Easy. I don't know if we get there, but if we get here in here, I'm really interested in finding shorts, as if this comes up through, right? Oh, then balance up new low. Alright, the connection has gotten better. Okay. So now we can start looking at price more in depth, I guess. What I expect from here is just a little scalp. It's just a scalp, right? From the yellow box would be just a scalp long, because price is going down, as you can see. There's no surprise in there. And I expect the low of this to be taken. This session I don't know. The next session I don't either. About the comment I can make about price is this amount of swing has already been made on the way down, and price, instead of going fast that way, go a bit more sideways here, right? Like this high made that low, but we come back close to the high. But look at what happened before. When we started to trend down, we have this low that made the last high, right? We break it, we come back into the range from this low to that high, go back lower. Here, the swing will close one to one another, The first one and the second one came to mitigate deep the first one. So and then price give us some acceleration. And when you get that kind of speed and gaps that didn't get filled, you don't expect to find an entry in here to go above here, especially when your swing count has not been met, right? If you're going on the way down. Once the swing counts start to accumulate and you get above 4, close to 6, 7-ish, sometime you get to 7, something like this, you'd be looking more on the long side and see what price behavior around it. So here we would need, depend on the time frame you're looking on, right? But we would need a close above that high and then a retest for us to say that we're bullish, which is we're not. But in the meantime, this high made that low, then this low made that high, which is close to that high, right? The last protected high. And so we have this high that put in a new low here. This would be that one, right? And what we can see there is price is more like range bound that it was there in a strong trend, which is why here we could expect for price to give us some pullback. I'd like for price to sweep that low first and then start to make strong move upward, but we'll see. The low in question that I would like is this ish. Yeah. Oh yeah. And balance up. Oh. Looks like this is not happening. So this would be the second loud swing down. Okay. Wang. Okay. I'll take 3. I'm still keeping those price level. This is where I expect price to give me a move going back down. Let's see what gold is doing. Oh, we did it. Oh, finally. Finally. I was in there fighting gold to go down. And I took a bunch of scalps. They are like on my Twitter page. I took a bunch of scalps in this, but couldn't find an entry to take price lower, and now price ran, which is cool. We'll probably find a re-entry on the pullback. Something you see the drawing. That's what I was expecting from him. It happened from there. So we're below that low. If the price gives me a pullback here, I'm be willing to take it all the way down here. We will see. We are. What I can say about gold is that I'm seeing the second large swing down 1-2. I expect a third one, and on the fourth one, be willing to take price going the other way. Oh look, the zone I selected is just the wick, right? So I'd expect a reaction from that wick on the lower time frame because it did something on the lower time frame. What did it do on the lower time frame? Basically, up and down of candles are high and lows. This low broke that high, and we range above the actual dot candle that was broken. So I'll expect some 1-1 or at least a move going up that way, even if we should go below it afterward. That's what I would expect. I'll be right back in 1 minute. All right, I'm back. Da-da-da-da-da. Hey, more music. All right. Let me check if I can take it right here. Just look. Here goes the low. It was this was my target on the first entry we took. Before I cut the live stream, the previous live stream, the one that was biggie, that was my target. We took profit on that candle high. Entry was there, we took profit there because I was afraid of something like this would happen. I mean, afraid. I wasn't willing to forfeit my profit to get 7 points. I wasn't willing to forfeit 72 points profit. Was it 72 points? It was 61 point profit to get 10 points. It is stupid because this went above my stop loss right there before coming back to my target, right? Let me see if I can find a scalp long in here. That would be temporary because what I expected for price to dip lower in that zone, that where you can see this thing, right? But this is the week that I was talking about, on 15-minute weeks or something like this. It might give us something to get back to here. We see. I'm just looking for confirmation inside here. If I get something, that'll be fine. I don't know if I can merge them, but I tried to merge this live stream with the previous one, the one that lasted for 1 hour, but it was laggy because the explanation, my top down, and the explanation about what I'm looking for and what I'm expecting is basically on the other stream, on a higher time frame at least. Okay. So this on this leg down, there's one swing here. I'd say there's second one there, which is my lower time frame one. This would be the third one if we get below. And if we get below, I'm looking for something going in that direction. But from somewhere in there. I'm doing some cosmetic things, changing colors and stuff. Just waiting to see if I get this entry. Do-do-do-do-do. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. But it's finally working on it, right? Finally. This is bullshit. So stop this. Let me see the chat. Hey, I don't know if it's possible. We can do song with your voice be higher. My voice, yeah, it's possible. Is the music too loud? The music might be too loud. Let me see. Microphone. Is it better? Is it better like this? Is it better like this? No, music is good. Cool. All right. Hey, can you hear me though? Can you hear my voice? So as I was saying, I'm expecting this is a swing. I'm expecting this to be a swing. and in here I'd be looking to take a scalp long. Not looking for any high based on the swing count going down. We have 1, 2, it's the large one. That would be 1, 2 for me. For me, this would be a second large swing on this leg. It basically this down candle. We don't have much velocity in here. And once again, I'm not looking, the long I'm looking for in here is just a scalp. Because on a high enough time frame, this load didn't do anything. It's just, it broke a 1 minute down candle, which made this a week and stuff. Let me track my, yeah. track this correctly. So I'm still observing price and looking for my little scalp long, even though I expect price to go below here, right? There's down. Hey, wait. This, oh, did I miss it? Oh, yeah. Find a way into price. Let's check. So we swept that low, refusing to make a high. Price look like it's looking for that high. I was expecting slightly lower around here, which would make me around the 50%. Slightly lower, I was expecting slightly lower. But this is not how it went. Let me get this to break even. Where is it? The one-to-one is here. I guess we didn't even hit the 50%. How do the crypto traders say it? We might have missed on generational wealth. I was expecting this entry to be slightly lower. That's a nice weak formation. This high, which is not a part of structure, could not put a low. Price come back and take it. First imbalance starting to put a new high. Yes. So I find a little entry in here. To here, I guess. Let me check. Yes. Back to that. This is how it looks. I'd like to go to BE, but I can't yet. Yes, break even now. Yo, what is going on? Here we go. Do something like this. And now I'm just putting my stop below the low of that candle. My stop is here right now. Because if price try to reverse on me, as we mentioned earlier, so I get paid to get out, right? Okay. So we are able to see TP. That's great. That make it with the trade of earlier 1.5 or 1.7 here. Because I missed, here is what happened there. So I was expecting a pullback from here, right? So I count my swing coming down. This is 1 for me, this would be 2, this would be 3, right? So here I'm comfortable looking that way. And I'm inside of this beautiful 15-minute week or higher time frame week. I don't know which time frame it's coming from, right? And from here, how am I framing this trade idea? I would have wanted for price to sweep that low. I had some limit order waiting in here. My stop was below this. I was willing to accept this much of a loss to go behind my idea, right? But once I saw that, what happened here? So this high is not a part of structure. We come and sweep the low of the last candle that put in the low right there with that candle. Let me zoom in a little bit. So price make this down candle is the last that put in low, right? Then price come up, make a high that's not a part of structure, and sweep the low, giving us a large wick, large one. Regarding to the size of the candle around it, it's a large wick for me, right? And I couldn't find an entry in here. I wasn't ready for this. I was expecting lower. But once I see this is what? This is the first imbalance right there, right? All right. So what I did is I just buy stop the high that was there. So we got the drop in the first imbalance. I buy stop the high. We get into price, and I was willing to bring price up on top of those highs because of how it looks with this, right? But All of this was framed around the idea of a of a one-to-one at the start and swing counting and where we are in price. Where are we in price? We are at lows. We are at lows. Hence why I'm looking for long. Even though I took a little scalp short there, was targeting this, blah blah blah. But you know what happened, right? And yes, that's what happened. Look at how the price is running away from my entry right now. Could have should I have kept that entry? I don't think so because I wasn't too sold on price going up from here. I was expecting it to go lower first before going higher. So I just took the trade that I thought was the safest for me. That's it. Which was this one. And I see it through. When I saw this with profit, my stop came to break even. Then I was trailing bullish candle on two targets. That's it. And then we look, and then you clear your mind. You wait a little bit, and you look for the next trade. And you're doing this again and again and again. I mean, this is how it works for me. Okay. Yeah, but that was a good trade. That was a good trade. It ran. Let me screen this. The trade ran 5 hours total from the entry, but I only took 1.7 hour because the target I had is not based on RR. It's based on how price looks. So I was only able to take this much, which is fine because this is profit. Yep. So here, I'd still be looking for lower prices. And here my next long will be around there. Depend on how fast price goes down, right? But I would like to long below this low. Yeah, I'd like to long below this low. Maybe depends because now you're counting larger swings. So you have one up move here, and second one there. Oh, is it down? No. Yeah, second one there, and the third one there. Once you get below, same things apply. The same thing I counted with the smaller swing there, apply it to the larger one there. Especially if they close to one another like this. And then we wait again, we wait for the next opportunity. And if price decide to go from here to there, let's say this, oh, sorry, let's say this is making something like this, ranging, taking the low, taking the high, tap backing, closing up, coming back down, taking that low, and building up, it's fine. If price does this, it's fine because I'll find an entry here to go back up. Or if it has to dip lower there to go back up. Doing exactly the same thing, counting swing on the way up, on the way down, and minding where am I regarding the higher time frame. That's all I do. All I do is the main things I've learned from Dave is to count swings. And then you find a way into price with your swing count. That's a possibility. I'd want for price to go lower, but that's a possibility too. Let me check this. Let me check this out. This doesn't make. Oh. Oh, I see. We might. Okay. The FX is beautiful. Price failed to make it high. Came back. Took the weak low, mitigated the area, made the long. Yep. Yep. That's it. It's all about where you look for what. That's it. Yes. It doesn't matter. You just have to know what you're looking for what, why you are looking for this or that into price. Look like price is looking for something here. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I don't need to know. I don't need to know. Let me read the chart. Nice to it. I'm seeing the same level, so it's good to know I'm seeing the market the same way. Okay, so that's the thing I haven't done is counting swings. I'm going to start paying attention to that. Yes, this is my main trick is counting swing. Like, um, the person that taught me how to trade, which is Dave, um, repeated this countless time to me, and I was like, yeah, cool, cool, cool. Looking at every week's like this, you see, like once you get this kind of candle, every week like this I get, I'm like, 50% of the week, slap an entry, go higher, blah 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 blah, but without context of where I am, why am I looking for this? Because once that candle appear at the right place, it's good. Once that candle appear at a random place, it doesn't mean anything other than this is a price pullback fast, but it doesn't mean that it's gonna keep continuing. Like there's some places that there's higher chances for price to do the thing that you expect it to do, and there's some other places where you should just do nothing, right? and counting swings has helped me frame my idea about where I should look into what. Now, about the fact that price is going up or down, I'd expect price to keep. Wait, I'd expect price to giving me another low just based on the fact that on a high enough time frame, this low made that high, and we made a new low here. So that high made that low, right? This imbalance right there is what broke the low. So we are currently tapping back in that imbalance. So I'd expect something like either we go down from here, or we go up, tap, double top into that imbalance and still giving me that low. That's what I expect, but it doesn't mean price have to do it. Price can go straight from here to there. I mean straight, you get me, but the price can go up instead of down, but you have to be expecting something to be able to frame your idea around it. And if price giving me confirmation longs, which means strong close above here, I mean, wait, strong close above here, take this is second swings. When we tap backing, I find a way in to get there, and now I'm at my level and I'm looking for a short, because those two guys here are my levels to look for something going that way. We'll see if I get rewarded with that one. But yeah, as I mentioned, I'm expecting price to still go down because of the amount of swings we made going that way, and what price did. Price took a low. What we know after price take a higher time frame low, this is not even the low I'm talking about. There's a low on the left, right? Is it? Yeah, this low. Price took this low, which look pretty important to me. As important, I mean, how long has it been there and not violated? 26 days. Cool. Price took that low. We expect some pullback and some ranging going on after the fact that we took a low like this. And the zone that I marked out is just the zone in between 2 wicks that we tapped around the 30% of it and provided this pullback for us. That's it. But still expecting low to be taken. Still going lower. And I have ultimately I'd expect that low at least. But is it from this session for the next one? I don't know. Let me see. That's after those two trade, question is, are we going back up or still continuing down? This is where I get blank. You need to frame an idea about what you expect, but be versatile about around price. Be like water. After my thought process was equal high to take on intermediary low as well, equal high. This. Okay, let me see. Yeah, could be. It could be, but this is one up move. This is two. This is the third swing. Yeah, I'd like for price to get below here, and if price get below there, I'm looking for some longs in there. Yeah, I'm definitely looking for some longs below that. Interesting. All right. 8900. So I'm also using the my indicator while trading this, but I only display bearish zone as long as I expect lows. I'm only display bearish zone because we are in the downturn. Even though we are at bottom of the range, and I'm scalping longs like you saw me. You saw what I did there, right? Even though I do that, I'm expecting price to keep going down for now. So hence why I'm only displaying bearish zones. To remind, it's just a reminder of what are we doing right now. Did we get above higher time frame high and close and blah 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 to get some confirmation that we're long? That's it. This is oh. Hey. All right, I'm seeing something here. Let me check. Slow tradable. We might be submitting to something there. Let's see how this candle close. Low, high, high, low. Price is fighting for his life there. Yeah. What can I say in the meantime? This is what I don't know how to do. What to do when I'm just waiting for price to get to my level. I can I can still comment price for you, but there's not much to say except that the zone that I marked out here. What you have to understand about it is that this is a week on a higher time frame, a week that did something in a context of a sweep of a higher time frame low, and therefore no close, immediate close, and price started to giving me swing back down, even though I expect price to go below here. Yes, yes. Let me see if I can find an entry. Okay, so mm, we're waiting. Okay, so that and this flow can close. Interesting. Da 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 da. Alright. Check. Look like here. 15 minutes is looking like there. Need to find entry into price now. Okay. Two, three. Oh, this is a beautiful candle. That's wonderful. Okay, now I'd be looking for an entry into price, but I really need to wait for one thing because this is range bound and give me 1 second. Here's what I see. This being the second swing, the large one, right there. I want it to go lower, okay? But since we swept some lows and price give a pullback, come back into the origin, trade above the last, trade above the candle, the higher time frame candle. There's a higher time frame candle here. If price this high and this low give me a strong high, it has to give me a strong closure here, some kind of ranging drop back in. Here I'm willing to take price long. If not, on shorts. Let me check if I get something from here. This is how I would frame an idea for me to take price long to there. But it needs to close, giving me some strong close there, making this the first swing and making this the second swing, right? And on the second swing, I'd intervene to get up. Even though I'm aware I'm a higher time frame down move into up move into probably down move. This is what I expect. But what do I know about price? Let me see. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, that's 4. Let's break down. So I think I'd take a short there. If I die, I die, okay? If I get smoke, I get smoke. Something like this. Yep. See, I was confused for a second but the confusion was expecting things instead of waiting price to show me its hand. I was expecting price to close up there, and when I saw that week, I explained it to you. Took a short. I just took a short from here right there. But if the price closed up there, it would be an entirely different narrative for me. But now I'm expecting that low. That's what I expect. Let me see if I can get to break even in that short. Let me show you the short. close to, you just okay. A look like price is coming for my stop. Let's see. Here's what I'm in. Might get stopped. No, let me check if I should have BE. 27 points, 20 points. Yeah, my BE price was met. My BE criteria was met. I get on BE now. So if price come back to my entry, at least I'm protected. Yeah, I got stop at BE on this idea. Still have you to go down. It's always good to break even. Learning to accept break even was the hardest part for me, and because I always wanted to see targets. I used to want that. Let me check. Oh, this is looking good still. Let me get something here. Alright, I'm backing with a very tight stop. Let's see if I get stopped out. Stopped for minus, I mean, I'd say minus 1 hour, but it's minus $200. It's what it was like 10 points or so. Alright, we wait for the next entry. Is this within my rules? 1, 2, yes, it is. It is within my rules. It is. So as I was saying, if price is capable of giving me a strong close up there, we'll consider the pullback to get long. If not, I have one, I have two. Expert take the third one. It's hard to stay short after the sweep of high time frame lows. Here we go. Okay, no entries. So we get the close here on that candle, the strong close I was expecting. Let's see if price gives us some pullback so we can get into it. And I would be targeting this, the red bar, the white bar right there. I'll be targeting this. I need to remind me of this one because even though I had swings here, the third one, but we swept this candle low, not providing us with any close, right? We at the top of the range, cool. I mean, top of this down move, but no close provided, and price kept going up. I need to be mindful of that. Not too long ago, but see, you have one swing and the second swing, the third swing, and Because it didn't give me anyway. Alright, cool. Oh yeah. Um. Okay. I was expecting slightly lower to get in. Because we got the close as mentioned before. We got some kind of pullback in the previous range, which is here. It's not showing up because we get only the bearish swings for now. But we get the pullback, the top of it, and price start running. So I was expecting something like in here, yeah, here at least, which would be the 30% of the zone, which would be where it's located, the SNDR is located, and stuff and stuff and stuff and blah 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 blah. Blah. This is where I would be willing to take an entry. Let me see if I can get some continuation up there. Yeah, it's a possibility. Let me check. We got a close above. Yeah, I think I can get some continuation up there fast. my stop would go below here. But my only issue with that long is this. This is not a swing. Oh, that's fine. One, I get two, which is the third one. Yeah. So. Yeah, yes, cool. So I was about to find there's something in here. Let me find my way to break even. Let me show the entry and find my way to break even. How can I put this? I need the RR tool. This is one, this is two, this is three. Yeah, this is the abuse, but I'll show you, and either way I'll show you. It doesn't really matter. That's the entry I got. Might get stopped. I want it slightly higher before I break even, but I just accept the break even here because the 1R has been made from this idea. So if you get it back to my break even, like I take the break even and I look for a entry lower. And yeah, I got break even. I got out at break even. Okay. one was nice. I could have managed this better because, as you can see, I saw 1 hour profit. I could have taken profit at the high there. I mean, at 1 hour. I even think I saw 2 hour profit. Let me see where how much is this one. This one 174 before returning to my entry, and I took break even from 174, which I was willing to accept earlier this morning. So I could have managed that entry better, for sure. Oh, YouTube is doing this again. Let me check. How many swing do we get? And we are here 1, 2, I'd say 3. Oh, this is the 4th one. Expect some deeper pullbacks. Maybe we get the pullback to here now. So did we close below this? That okay, cool. I think I find a short. Okay. Nice. Okay, so I'll find an entry based on swing count. Let's see if it delivers to target. I'll switch to break even in a second. Oh, might get stopped, Might get stopped. This entry is based on one thing. I'm still expecting a higher prices for now, slightly higher, but on this leg I have found my swing count, which is equal to 4. So I took the imbalance stop, which is here, going back this way, targeting this exactly, and I might just get stuffed. Yeah, I got subbed out of this idea. I'm not as focused as I was before, I guess. I'm making stupid choices. One, yes, 2, this is 3. Yeah, I have you going down. Alright, since YouTube is starting to be buggy again, and I can't seem to find myself here. Well, one thing you have to understand is when you try and trade the counter trend like I did right there, because this is counter trend, because here's the trend, the immediate trend, right, is here. When you try to take something counter trend here, you need to flip to break even fast, because your entry could be invalidated and price still go to where you think it goes, right? This is what I've been taught also, but I still have price to going there. Put some, but I would expect, what I want is from here to provide some larger pullbacks here before resuming up. This is what I want. So we'll wait and see. Whoa. Okay. Okay, cool. Maybe here. See, I got stopped. Let me see. Out of 6 trade, I got stopped out 2 times for money, and I got BE 2 times too. So we are actually at 3 hour totals from this morning, which is decent. Not letting the market taking your money on something is good too, like, right? All right. Here we go. Trying to find myself at B again. What is this? This is good. Yeah. I find another entry there. I'm about to flip to be in once we get to one, or if we get there. I'm looking on that way based on swing count. It's the same thing again. It's the swing counting, right? And I'll manage that entry, not to give the market my money. Price, it looks like price is not willing to cooperate on this. It doesn't want to. Just fine. Yeah. All right. Look like I get some GRT happening in there. Thanks, good to me. I'm not. Oh, you leaving? Okay, cool. But I'm still here for, I guess, about an hour or so. Okay, that's better. Yeah, that's more like it. So this idea is now at break even. If price get me, get me. If I die, I die. Right. That's how we look now. Hey, there's no love for you. Pow. There's no love. Okay, I'm put my stop there. That's how we look. Telling you, I'm not used to this, right? I'm not used to this. Performing in front of people is something too, because I'm saying something to you and I have to show it to you. I mean, show myself doing what I'm saying to you in price, right? And yeah, this is what I expected. So that's nice. I expect price slightly lower. Let's see if it gives this. If it give this to me, I will twirl candle that put a low. So that's it. Yep. That's a nice tweet though. How many? 5 error if you get it. Let's see. Here we go. Still trailing my stop. This is where we at now. Let me delete this and that and this. This is where we are at right now. And if we get stopped, we get stopped, right? We get stopped for like, if the stop get hit, it's already 2 hour stops. So yeah, I get 2 out of this position if I get hit right there, which is fine. We might get stopped. Oh wait, this candle didn't put a low, so it's not you. So yeah, I manage like this. Since I got the only like I have I use prop in my account from Top Step still, but since I got out of the trailing drawdown system, this is how I manage my stop. So because I don't mind being like, oh, I want price to get to this or that target, right? But if I do so, I have to be able to trail my stop in a certain way that I'm preserving my equity and keep realizing profit, even if I'm wrong, because I could be wrong. Why would I be right all the time? I didn't make it. And so yeah, still waiting for this. That was a great position. Either way, might get stopped. Yep. Yeah, looking like us. Yeah. Thing is, I like to twirl candle that put in a low. Might find some re-entry there. Actually, let me see. If I get stopped. Still not stopped. Okay, so they got me for a nice 2 hour. Let's see what happened to this, the idea of the trade, right? Let's see if we get the full TP or not. Yeah, that was nice. Usually, I 12 behind the candle that has put a low. So that candle put a low. This didn't. So the sweep that happened there is not a surprise, right? Because it didn't. But I wasn't willing to forfeit all that profit, so it's fine. How comes? All right. Yeah, this look like going to target. So we swept that eye here. See if I didn't trail like I used to, but that's fine. Still took profit. We swept that high here, and price kept going that way. Do we get to the full target? My stop would go. Well, yeah, my stop would go there, below there. For now, maybe here in a minute, we'll see. You see, the way I manage my trades will only get better from here because the more reps you get into price doing acting like this, the more likely you'll find comfortable in each entry you are in. I mean, not each of them, but most of them at least, which is enough to make some money from trading though. Oh, do we get some music? Oh. Music is over. So I think I'll have to run. Okay, two more music and I'll go. Two more songs and then I'm out. All right. Um, can you go? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course. If I can go for the swing count one more time, of course, I can. In any given trend or any given time frame, you have swings that being from that forms to enable the trend to the price to go where it's going, right? Where it's going. So what I do, what I do is let's say I'm here on this time frame. I'll keep this because this was my target. Let me get rid of that. Yeah. So on this leg up, let's say this leg down for now. On this leg down, there's a set amount of swings. This is not a swing on this time frame, but it is on the lower time frame. I count it with this. You need to spend time with price to be able to know what works. What do you see works most of the time. So I got one swing, the second swing, the third one here, and on the formation of the fourth one, we got the nice long from earlier, right? That we took. Okay. Then we get what? Let's say. Let me delete the bearish ones. Then we get this, and I'd say this, that, which is 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth one. We get above here, above the fourth one, and what do we get? We get a closure below the last candle I put in the high, which is this one. This green candle here, we get a closure below. What happened afterwards? We come back into the range of that candle. Tap back in. I don't know percentage wise how. Yeah, tap into the 50% and short it. I had price going back there, but it doesn't matter if it doesn't go to my full target, right? Because what I'm thinking when I take this short is that I am not taking the short based on I'm taking a reversal. I'm taking the short based on I'm probably taking a pullback to be able to mitigate some previous zone and for price to go that way. Even if price go that way, it doesn't matter, because if I pay myself along the way, if I get money most of the time when I do this, at the end of the day, you should be able to capitalize on price, basically. I don't know if that made sense, but yeah, this is how I use the swing counting. This for example is not a swing. You see this up candle, those small down candles start backing the imbalance, go up. This is this end for me, so it's 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one being there, right? And each leg has its swing count. That's why see here all the red bars, one bar here, second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one here, and all of these are swing going down. Even if I have price taking some lows because of the how quick it went down, price did after the fifth one started to accumulate. It's like it's range bound. It's sweeping the lows, yes. It's going back up, but deep into the previous swing. Not like when we are at the second or third one here, because price was going down fast. I'd say this could be, you know what this could be? This could be just the making of an SNDL to break some lows there and close below it. But I don't know that. What I know is price is accumulating here after it has made, after my swing count has been met. Hence why when I get below lows, I'm looking for longs without confirmation. I mean, with candlestick pattern confirmation, not the larger one confirmation. I hope that made sense. And let me check the trade we had here earlier. Here we go. It looks like our target is bound to be delivered. Yeah, what was our target? 21. Yeah, this is this. Oh, already delivered, right? See? So I paid myself going there because I'm a noob. I'm new to this. I mean, new to this. I've been trading for a while, but I wasn't profitable for long. So I take profit along the way.